Please use subtitle translation to select desired language. 16 to 8 intermittent fasting is a popular dietary approach that involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. Here's a breakdown of how it works and its key features. Fasting period, 16 hours. During the fasting period, you consume no calories. You can drink water, tea, or black coffee, which can help reduce hunger. Eating period, 8 hours. You can eat normally during the 8-hour window, focusing on balanced meals that include proteins, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. It's important to prioritize nutrient-dense foods for optimal health benefits. 16 to 8 intermittent fasting can offer several benefits for individuals who are able to follow this dietary approach. 1. Weight loss and fat loss. By limiting the eating window, many people naturally consume fewer calories. Fasting may increase the body's reliance on fat as a fuel source, promoting fat loss. 2. Improved metabolic health. Intermittent fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and may lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. 3. Enhanced heart health. Some studies suggest that intermittent fasting can lower levels of LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, which are risk factors for heart disease. Fasting helps reduce blood pressure, contributing to better cardiovascular health. 4. Increased longevity. Fasting triggers autophagy, a process where the body removes damaged cells and regenerates new ones. Mild stress from fasting improves the body's resilience and promote longevity. 5. Enhanced brain health. Intermittent fasting may promote the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which supports brain health and cognitive function. Fasting can decrease inflammation in the body, which is linked to various neurodegenerative diseases. 6. Improved digestion. Fasting gives the digestive system a break, which can improve gut health and digestion. Many people report less bloating and discomfort when practicing intermittent fasting. 7. Mental clarity and focus. Some individuals report improved focus and mental clarity during fasting periods, possibly due to stabilized blood sugar levels and increased ketone production. Starting the 16 to 8 intermittent fasting method can be beneficial, but many people make common mistakes that can hinder their success. 1. Not staying hydrated. Forgetting to drink enough water during both the fasting and eating periods can lead to dehydration. Solution: aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Herbal teas and black coffee can also be hydrating during fasting. 2. Ignoring hunger cues. Some people may try to push through hunger during fasting, leading to feelings of deprivation. Solution: listen to your body. It's okay to adjust your eating window if you feel excessively hungry, especially in the beginning. 3. Not planning ahead. Failing to plan meals can result in poor food choices or convenience eating. Solution: prepare meals in advance and have healthy snacks available for the eating window. 4. Inconsistent timing. Frequently changing the fasting and eating windows can disrupt the body's adaptation process. Solution: aim for consistency in your fasting schedule to help your body adjust more effectively. 5. Setting unrealistic expectations. Expecting rapid weight loss or immediate health benefits can lead to disappointment. Solution: understand that results may take time and vary by individual. Focus on gradual changes and overall health improvement. 6. Not listening to your body. Ignoring signs of fatigue, irritability, or other negative symptoms can lead to burnout. Solution: pay attention to how you feel and be willing to adjust your approach if necessary. 7. Overeating during the eating window. Some people may overcompensate by eating large quantities of food or unhealthy options during the 8-hour window. Solution: focus on balanced, nutrient-dense meals rather than simply trying to eat as much as possible. 8. Choosing unhealthy foods. Relying on processed or high-sugar foods can negate the potential benefits of fasting. Solution: prioritize whole foods. Here are the examples. lean proteins, chicken breast, turkey, fish, eggs. Plant-based proteins, tofu, tempeh, legumes, healthy fats, avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, coconut oil and nut butters, whole grains, quinoa, brown rice, oats, whole grain bread or pasta, fruits and vegetables, leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, berries, bananas, apples, oranges, dairy or dairy alternatives, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, plant-based yogurts. Fasting for dinner, as part of the 16 to 8 intermittent fasting method, can be more effective for weight loss, but whether it is better depends on individual preferences and lifestyles. Here are some considerations regarding fasting for dinner and its impact on weight loss. Better digestion. Fasting in the evening allows your digestive system to rest overnight, which can improve digestive health and potentially reduce bloating. Enhanced sleep quality. Eating earlier and avoiding late-night meals may lead to better sleep quality, which is important for weight loss and overall health. 16 to 8 intermittent fasting may not be suitable for everyone. Here are some groups of individuals who should approach this dietary method with caution or avoid it altogether. 1. Pregnant or breastfeeding women. Nutritional needs are higher during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Fasting may not provide adequate nutrients for both the mother and the baby. 2. Individuals with a history of eating disorders. Those with a history of anorexia, bulimia, or binge eating may be at risk of triggering unhealthy eating behaviors by restricting eating times. 3. People with certain medical conditions. Diabetes, especially those on medication that affects blood sugar levels, hypoglycemia, low blood sugar, gastrointestinal disorders, like ulcers or severe reflux. 4. Individuals taking certain medications. Some medications need to be taken with food, and fasting may interfere with their effectiveness or cause side effects. 5. Younger individuals, children and teenagers have higher nutritional needs for growth and development and may not benefit from fasting protocols. 6. People with chronic fatigue or low energy. Those who already experience fatigue may find that fasting worsens their energy levels. 7. Individuals with high physical demands. Fasting may not provide enough energy for optimal performance or recovery. 8. Individuals who are very ill or recovering from surgery. Those who are unwell or recovering may need consistent nutrient intake for recovery and healing. While 16 to 8 intermittent fasting can offer benefits for many people, it is essential to assess individual health needs and circumstances. If you belong to any of the groups mentioned or have concerns, it's advisable to consult a healthcare provider before starting any fasting regimen. This video is intended to provide health information. If you have a medical condition, please seek professional advice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Your support is my biggest motivation.